question on trigonometry, trigonometric identities. That is, we have to prove that this side can be simplified and become 1 over tan x. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to write the left-hand side 1 upon cos x minus, instead of tan x, I'm going to write sin x upon cos x. So sin x upon cos x bracket 1 upon sin x plus 1. Now I'm going to change these into single fraction. So we already have the LCM here, which is cos x, and the numerator becomes 1 minus sin x. Here, the LCM is going to be sin x, and the numerator will become 1 plus sin x. Okay. Now the denominator becomes cos x, sin x, and the numerator, notice, is a minus b times a plus b, which becomes a squared minus b squared, which would give us 1 minus sine square x. And we also know that sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So 1 minus sine square x is actually cos square x. So the numerator becomes cos square x. Now the numerator and the denominator cancels, the square and this cos x cancels. We have cos x upon sin x. Now we know that tan x is actually sin x upon cos x. So this is the reciprocal of tan x, which would be 1 upon tan x. So we have shown that the left-hand side becomes 1 over tan x after simplification. Now for part B, we have to solve the given equation by using the identity in part A. So we're going to replace the left-hand side with, this left-hand side gets replaced with 1 over tan x. So we're going to write 1 over tan x equals 2 tan square x. Replace the place of 2 and tan x. So we get half is equals to tan cube x. Take cube root on both sides. This would be tan x equals, let's see, what is the cube root of 1 upon 2? That is 0.7937. Okay. Remember, you only write plus minus when you're taking an even root, that is square root or fourth root or whatever, but not for odd root, that is not for cube root. So do not write plus minus. Okay, so now I'm going to find absolute angle by taking tan inverse of this, which gives shift tan answer. That gives 38.4. Now tan theta is positive in the first quadrant, add sugar to coffee, and the third quadrant. So we have 38.4 here and 38.4 here. However, this will not be included in the answer since it is out of the domain, which is 0 to 180 degrees. So our only answer is theta is equals to 38.4.